Hello dear subscribers, they'll tell you. How to fix and why you see Snapchat ads rejected or not delivered. So why you could not start your campaign in Snapchat. So first thing, it's just because ad rejected. It's because you have problems with your text or landing page. So just please check your text and landing page after. It's because of policy violation. So your advertisement just break rules of Snapchat. And after another thing, your account is under restriction. So just maybe it's just shadow ban. So please just check this thing. And the latest option, it's payment issue. So maybe it could be caused by insufficient amount on your card or something like that. So please just check the thing. So thanks for watching. Please download my applications. In the description it will be a link, and have a nice day. Bye.